WazirX all set to launch decentralized exchanges. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Crypto Dive. WazirX, an Indian cryptocurrency exchange, has seen a significant increase in its volume. It is now the largest decentralized exchange. The platform's popularity has prompted its creators to consider the next steps. According to the latest reports, Nishal Shrinky, co-founder of WazirX, has confirmed that WazirX will launch a decentralized currency exchange. The operations of its customers are controlled by a central cryptocurrency exchange. A decentralized cryptocurrency exchange operates without the need for a custodian or intermediary, which is not the case with centralized exchanges. Trades are executed on an autonomous basis, mostly via smart contracts. WazirX is currently testing the features of decentralized exchanges and other attributes in preparation for its launch next month. Decentralized exchange, DEX, which doesn't have data, is not accessible to regulators. Shetty spoke out on data availability. WazirX was asked by the enforcement director to explain the Rs. 2,790.74 crore transaction in June 2021. 2,790.74 million in violation of foreign exchange rules. According to reports, the exchange is currently preparing the response to money laundering probe. Many industry and legal professionals agree that DEXs are more transparent and less under surveillance. The chances of price manipulation or hacking have diminished significantly. Mathew Chacko, a Spice Route legal partner, says that decentralized exchanges are less subject to authorities' policing. They are therefore the most popular option for those who want more transparent trades. Decentralized exchanges are less problematic from a global legal perspective than centralized ones, he said. Decentralized exchanges do not require a checklist such as Know Your Customer, KYC. This type of exchange is one of the most practical, allowing global traders to trade easily without too much hassle. This has made decentralized exchanges very popular around the world. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.